ano, like, hindi na ako magkuha ng ano, Bombay. Ang onion. But mahirapan akong umulya kasi may ano, bagong adjust yung braces ko. No, peanut! Diba? Need ko ng water. Kaanghang ng ano eh. Suka. Wait lang guys. Yes. Tapos na ano pa dyan? Napagod. Yes. Mang-iinggit lang ako kaya nag-live ako. Burn siya pagkaluto. Na-burn. Gahian na eh. Kaya ganina bagod na eh. Dalawin ako sugod dito yan eh. Deserve mo yan. Charot. Hindi ka na magkakain din ah. Kumain ako kanina. Pumunta kami ano, cafe ng friends ko from Deluxe. So, hindi na ako mag-rice. Gahi na siya. Kay ganina naman eh. Gahi na siya. Gahi, matigas. Sorry. Matigas na siya. Hala nga, uy, giatay. So, yun. Last na. Diba? Bitin masyado. Hindi na crunchy, kaya nga, bitin masyado. Last ano na. What giatay po, ebe. Last ano na, last stick na. Craving satisfied, pero bitin. Ibami, don't decide, ibami. Oh, bitin. Hi, Mother. Yes, dried to sit. Wait, naglalag. Hindi na crunchy. Last na. Bitin. Last na, guys. Last na. Yun lang na ano. Yun lang nakain ko sa halagang 200 pesos. So, 40 ang isa dahil.
Hindi lang.
Andyan ay masar. Hello. Ox lang yan, masaya ka naman kasi bitin. Oh, hindi na ako masaya kasi nabitin ako. Kanindali ang kasiyahan lang pala yun. Grabe bitin, bay. What if kainin ko yung ano, Bombay? Diyan na. Kanindali ang painit din. Ubusin ko yung onion kasi napakamahal lang dried fruit dahil sa onion. Sige, go. Send kayo stickers para may pambili ako ng dried pusit. Ay, sus! You will always be my boy. Thank you. So yun, tapos na yung live na to. Yan lang yung ano, intention ko. Why ako nag-live para magpainggit. Always be my boo. Oo, yun lang talaga purpose. Tapos na, so mag-end ako. Hi, si Vardon. Ang anghang. Sheesh. Wala na. Ubus na. Yan lang. Hindi ko man lang naabutan. Yun na yun. Yun na yun. Oo, yun na yun. Next live, ibang street food naman. Next live, mag-ano ako, kain ako ng buldak. Guys, maanghang talaga masyado. Di atay. Ano ba? Guys, nakita nyo na ba yung TikTok ni Ate Lori? Nag-post siya, guys. Tignan nyo yung bagong post niya. Nag-post siya. Like nyo din. And repost. Like a bulldozer, like a tank, like a soldier. Sumaya siya ng liit. Oo, galing yun sa phone ko. Like, pinush ko talaga siya kanina. Ate Lori, mag-post ka ngayon. Dapat mag-post ka kasi napaka-inactive mo. Like a tank, like a soldier. Walang, uy. Yes, once. Asa mo na ginapaibog na po si Tula, naubos na. Bitin kayo, hanggang dito lang, oh. Yung ano, yung 200 pesos ko hanggang dito lang. Bayas! Gio. Peanut and heat. Mas meron na yung pusit from my mouth. Go! Like a bulldozer, like a tank, like a soldier. Paano tayo ng Twice songs? Yes! Gio Imnida! Saan ka? Yeah. Come on, be my love, baby. Hello. Oh, Chaeyoung stan. Yeah. Mi Cheng. Oh! Listen again. Awa-awa. Tignan nyo guys, ano ginagawa ko kay Peanut pag ano, inaaro ko siya. Pag eyeliner, galing ako nag-judge ng ano, i-comfort ko pa. Ay, ayaw niya. Agay, kasakit. Makapal yung eyeliner ko right now kasi galing ako nag-makeup ako ng bongga kasi galing ako nag-judge ng Your Face Sounds Familiar ng Case Department sa University of Mindanao. So, nag-makeup ako ng bongga. Shake. Oo, sa UM, kaganina. Sa auditorium, sa DPT. Kinsa daog, uy! By the way, ang ganda ng pass. Ang ganda ng performance ng nanalo. Ang kinover niya is si Ray. R-A-Y-E. Yun. My husband. Oo. Kinanta niya yun. Like, very maganda yung boses niya. Tapos may mga backup dancers siya. Oo, Where's My Husband? Ang ganda ng performance niya. Tapos, yung second place, yung pinerform niya is bye, good night. Yung pinerform ng second place is Peanut! Oo, wala si Uling. Hinahanap niya si Uling. Naghahanap ng boyfriend. Burikat na bata. Anyways, yun. No, hindi siya gutom. Inhit siya. So, yun. Anyways, yung second place, yung niya, pinerform niya is Tala. Yung kay Sarah Geronimo. Tapos, yun, like, very funny lang performance niya. Alam kong nag-dog show lang siya doon. Basta, like, tawa kami ng tawa sa kanya. Kasi very funny ng performance niya. Tapos yung third is Yung kinover niya. Yung perform niya is song ni Eric Santos. Like, si Eric Santos yung ginaya niya. Siya yung third place. So, yun. Very nag-enjoy ako kanina kasi madaming pagkain. Madaming pagkain, guys. So, sabi ko talaga, perfect. Habang nagja-judge kain ako ng kain dun. Oh, parang ako yung nanalo eh. Hindi yung mga sumali. Yes, basta may pagkain. Hi! Mag-performance na yung festival. We don't know yet. Pag ma-invite, siguro, post lang kami sa page namin. Sana mag-perform din kayo sa Digos branch. Sana ma-invite. Charot. Sana din. Kasi, gusto na din namin mag-visit ng iba't ibang cities. Mag-perform sa ibang cities. Like, yan talaga yung nilolook forward namin. Oh, sama na. Oo. So like, uy. So like, sana ma-invite. Mindanao tour, yes, sana ma-invite. Si Pina, hinahanap niya na si Uling. Like Quezon City, kala. Yes, sa mga lugar niyo. Come, Peanut! Come! Halak kay, gilabta na ang ano. Hala, gikao ng kahoy. Ang lang bataan. Favorite Twice song? Guys, may something talaga sa Dance the Night Away. Naghihintay ng comments, yes. Ano height mo? 5'4". I'll try to convince ang mga governors or sa supervisor ko. Please! Yay! Sana makavisit ng Digos. I late si Ven. Basta may something talaga sa Dance the Night Away ng Twice. Like, kasi I love summer songs, guys. Wait, play ko. Wala na kaming matanong. You and me in the moonlight. Your ghost till the night. 나는 사라질 까 숨을 추는 생각이 내 힘을 날까요. 다가요 우리와 같이 만나. Yes. Thank you. Yes, what's that? If you wanna have some fun. Like, what do you mean? Do I look tall sa Sokmed and short sa personal, or short sa Sokmed and tall sa personal? Let's dance the night away. Let's dance the night away. Short ako sa Sokmed, tapos matangkad ako sa personal. Thank you so much for that. Thank you so much for that. Nashock ko tangkad di ay kay ka. Oh my God, diba? Yes, super compliment talaga. Thank you! Thank you for that. Nag-wild na si Peanut, guys. Thank you so much. Matangkad daw ako, guys. Perfect world. Last world. Icon queen. Ayan na si Master na discography ng guys. As in, dili hago isabay ang there are times na parang like feel ko giatay ka po yan naman ani pero of course I still choose to fight kasi kinusto ko to eh. There's no turning back. Pero kidding aside, like ganyan kasi talaga if gusto mo yung ginagawa mo kahit gaano pa yan ka nakakapagod. Laban lang talaga. Oo, like hindi ka napapagod if you love what you're doing. Ganun. Kumbaga kasalanan, oo. Pinili mo yan. Panindigan mo yan. Ganun. Basta ganun. Like, kung gusto mo yung ginagawa mo, hindi ka talaga papagodin. Halagi. Diba yan? But word expression lang man yan. Miss you, Ben. Miss you, everyone. Hanggang sa magsawa na naman kayo sa face ko kasi parang nag-everyday life na naman ako. Hi, motor! Hatag kwarta. Oo, nagsawa ka na, then go. Bye. Di kami nagsasawa, malungkot pag walang live. Buti pa si Kuya JP. Ha? Ha? Sorry. Buti pa si Kuya JP. Kuya JM kay ano kayo, bully. Hi, Haley. Parang klase na to everyday. Bawal umabsent. Tama. Basta gabi or madaling araw ka lang mag-live. Oo. Kasi wala din akong time in the morning and afternoon. So like, mas prefer ko yung afternoon, I mean evening and madaling araw. Ano ba, mag-end ba ako, tapos mag-charge, tapos hanggang 6 a.m. tayo today. Wait, mag-ISO Japanese songs tayo, wait. Uy, see you next week, Kuya JM. Mabalik na dyan siya din. Wow. Naanak ko yung JM sa Davao. Wow. Yung madaling araw natin tahimik ko lang yan, no? Sige, last waltz muna bago ISO ang Japanese song. Ooh. Same time zone na. Next week, hoy. Mga humor na di ko inadapt. Na para bang I always say, like, bawal phone sa office, pero yan. Uy, baka maayo ka ha. Baka malaman ng mga tips dyan na nagpo-phone. Pag walang live, ano ba naman yan? Walang hara members na nag-live. ba? Ako lang talaga yung active sa live. Nag-workout ka yan? Yes. Sino ba to? Classmates ba? Yes, nag-workout ako. Yan yung Mustang Campus Tour sa UM. Now, actually guys, work ko din dapat ang mag-assist sa mga ambassadors ng UM kasi nga ambassador din ako. Kaso we had to leave like immediately after our performance kasi may practice na naman kami, may training na naman kami. So yun, hindi ako nakapag-work. Like we call it work or duty, something. Tapos nandun na walang life, boring. As in, ano name mo na real? Naging routine na. Hanggang sa panaginip. Best multitasking ganap, deck building, and Johnny Live. Guys, ano ba yan? Kinikilig ako. Ano gibay mo, day? Mag-libre ka sa 7-Eleven. Oo, ikaw. Hi, RJ! Huy, wala mo i-pop up karon. Gusto ko magpalit o ganun. Dugay Chewy. As in, asan pabot nyo? Tomorrow. Saan kayo tomorrow? Ay, tama. Sa 1990X, mandayin na Wednesday. Uy, kalamig mag-Dubai Chewy. Uy, guys. Lamig kayo ang Dubai Chewy nila, guys. Like, perfect. Sarap ng Dubai Chewy nila. Ito si RJ. Ito, baby hair. Wow. Magbalik pa ka work? I don't think so. Kasi I'm very busy na. You're so pretty much po. Thank you. Ay, as in. Kay Sir Jeff. Ay, tapat mo na Arabias. Right? Gawin kita for in a box na strawberry namin. Pagpilo. How much? School pa ka? Yes, naga-school pa ko. Pero wala ako sa school right now. Ay, as in. Hello! Hello to you. As in, go ako tomorrow. As in, libre yan. As in, kaya mag-go dyan ko. Like, Sige. What time kayo tomorrow? After training, siguro kang mag-go. Yay! Thank you, RJ. Diba hanggang tenga yung, yung ngiti? Para makikidnap po siya ni pag sinabi mong tara libre ko. Tama talaga yan. Tara libre ko. Asin? Ganun. May lahi ka po? Yes. Pag madaling araw, nahahati yung katawan ko. 2 p.m. Sige. Mag-chat ako sa'yo. Hi, Ate Ai. You want somebody like I want somebody tonight. Do you think about me now? Yeah, all the time. Yeah, all the time. I got no time to lose. Volleyball player naman isa o na ikaroon hara naman. Suwi ko kiyang ipaon. Dali ra kay ka makawat. Ganin no, feel ko po. Pati drive po sit. Yay! See you, RJ! 우린 심장 I don't want to stay in the middle like you a little. Don't wanna riddle. 말해줘, say it back, I'll say it up. 난 말해, so say it up. I don't want to walk in this mirror. 안녕한 바람은 말해줘, say it back, I'll say it up. I want you, so say it up. Oo, alam ko, screenshot na naman to, tapos sabihin kod-kod. Ito, yan ang safe fandom. Sige po. By the way, yan ang safe fandom ninyo na ba? Wala pa. 우린 심장. As in, saying the mirror. Diba? Alam ko, sinabi nila GV and kanina, TJ. I'll say it all. Sige, pasmilin mo muna ako bago mo ako i-screenshot. Pero nagiging pahinga na yung live mo. Parang alarm na live siya ni pahinga na asamahan siya sa live. Yes! I love you guys. Waiting sa fandom name to be released soon. And if may kayo, may masuggest kayo na fandom name, just comment here. Kasi pilian namin. Mag-choose kami. Alarm talaga yan. Dapat paggabi na, dapat gising na. What's wrong? Rolling 듯이 난 너를 찾을게. What's up? 설렌 듯이 날 맘이 터질 듯해. 내 맘대로 play it. Ayan, nandito na si Twice Master. Yanis. Okay, Haranis. 이미 넌 나를 봤어. 내 시간 없어. 떠내는 눈빛 티나는 없이 baby 지리고 싶어 넌 설렘이 오기 전에 I wanna make it pop 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 I want it pop 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 터지기 원해 가슴이 뛰는 느낌 I wanna make it pop 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 I want it pop 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 널 갖길 원해 tama ba? Allergic baka sa nuts, pati lang ako niyo. They were now hazelnut. Hindi ko allergic sa nuts. Gina G. Thank you, RJ. Mag-chat ko sa'yo mo. Asa ka allergic? Sa asin. And I hate bawang. Maharanis. Cute. Bebe. Bebe. Baby, as a me now. 5 4 Sige, girl, I let Ma'am Pao know. Ay, gusto po ka nila mamit ulit. Okay! Yay! So, tomorrow after, pag-girling kasi as in, tomorrow after trading, mag-go ko. 1990X. Come to me, I wanna make it pop, 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 you want it, pop, 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 make it pop, 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 you gotta find it, pop, 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 let's go, pop, pop, pop. Ito, Fave Melody Project. Ito, i-play ko ha. Bounce, bounce. Guys, gusto ko manood, after this live, I think mag-watch ako ng ng K-drama. 이대로 좋아요. 주주루주. Here. I-continue ko lang yung Still Shining and Can This Love Be Translated? Katanaw kag Phantom na wala pa. Feel ko after ko manood nitong K-drama sa pinapanood ko right now, Phantom Lawyer next. RJ, mag-ato ko ha tomorrow. Chat ko. As in, funny day siya. Like, sige, mag-watch ko. Na swab test? As in? As in? Kaya ganun yung Peram kita ko yun. Oo, nakita ko yun na clip sa nakita ko yun na clip sa TikTok. Hi, Chuck. Feel na ko yan, hindi ka mahot nagkatawa ng Phantom Lawyer kayo. Imagine ko sa katawan ko. As in, yung laugh na pahigo. Tama dahil, wala pa katila sa mga chiwidang bestseller namin. For sure, mauna yung mga fave. Sige, go. I-try ko na tanan. Basta libre. Walang problem yan. Char, sure bitaw. Libre lang. Kasi dili-cheat ko mo dili. Alam okay. I got the feels. I'm so curious about you, boy. Wanna keep it cool, but I know every time you move, got me frozen. I get so shy, it's obvious, but it feels like butterflies. Keep saying what's on my mind. Wanna hit bullseye, shoot, I'm ready. Ikaw ba yung hindi siguro? Yes, ako yun. Feel like Cupid's alive. I'm like tonight. Your heart beats the same when that you know. Cause I'm boom 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 from head to toe. I know love it is such a funny thing. A mystery. Nakita ko din yung clip sa TikTok. I listen to Twice songs, pero hindi ko yung parang hard fun talaga. Like, nakikinig lang ako ng songs nila. Straight to my heart, oh yeah. I got all the feels for sure. Yeah, I got all the feels for you. Oo. Yan, parang master na talaga yan. Boy, no. I know you feel it too. Right down to the dark, got a little contrary. Are we on the same vibe? Wonder what's on your mind.
I make good and I wanna be a fool.
If it's gone, I wanna be a fool. Underneath the neon lights, baby, electricity tonight, baby. I know love it is such a funny thing. A mystery, gotta get to know. Thank you, Ate Secretary Isma, yung manager. Hindi po. But she's like part ng team namin. Sometimes she acts like our manager, like acting manager. Never let it go, never let it go, lightning straight to my heart, oh yeah. For sure. Hello, guys. Yung ate ko kumakain ng mang inasal petcho. Para nagugutom din ako. What if mag-order pag ko? Sirado na, no? Bruh. Closed na ang mang inasal, guys. DM lang, Tom. Saan prepare ko for you, Tom. Sige. Sige, go. Mawala ko. Sige, go. Kakapalan ko na talaga yung face ko. Para sa Dubai Chewy. Now you got the feels, boy. Ipunin mo na lang yung gusto mo, para tomorrow. Now you got the feels, boy. I know you feel it too. You got my attention, so what's your intention? You tell me, baby, what's the deal? Oh, I'm looking, I know it, baby, my eyes reveal that you give me the feel. So lightning straight to my heart. Ipunin ko na lang kasi tomorrow mag-eat ako ng maraming sweet. Boy. Know you got, I know I got the feels. Boy. I know you feel it too. Guys, kanina sobrang nag-enjoy talaga ako sa event ng case department. Kasi maraming foods. Like, pagdating ko parang binigyan nila ako ng chiffon cake. Yung parang ganito siya kalaki. Tapos, yun yung favorite kong bilhin sa cafeteria ng UM before. Binigyan nila ako ng ganun. Tatlo binigay nila sa akin. So, like, thank you so much. So, yun, nag-enjoy ako kasi maraming pagkain. Boy, na. I know you feel it too. Got my attention. I'm the bottom MC of 21. It's been a long time coming, but we're here now. I'm about to set the roof on fire, baby. You better get yours, cause I'm getting mine. 21. Hindi alone. 11:30 mag-end na ako kasi tapos na ako mag-inggit, guys. Nag-inggit ako tapos ako lang pala yung nabitin. Nang-inggit tapos lugi kasi nabitin. Tonight, walang bitang pinanang gagaro. Nasimgang sulit, unang napurbesto. 지나가지 다리를 건너지야. Yeah. 미치고 싶어. Yani, nakita kita sa mall last week. Saang mall? Punta ba ka ng mall last week? Uy, ayan na, sira ako. Quick. Uy, crazy ka, boy. Ginawang scratcher yung yung higaan ko. Sweet tooth ka din ba or socks lang? Siguro 70%. Ay, hindi masyado. Depende lang talaga sa mood ko. Oo, so I'd say socks lang. Depende sa mood ko. Pero grabe talaga, like, in the mood talaga akong kumain ng sweets. Sobra din talaga akong kumain, like, ganun. Secret boy, come. Say hi to your uncles and aunts. Hi, mga uncle og auntie. Si. Ay, Shuri. Guys, si Kwek guys, super malambing na na pusa. Like, every morning, tumatabi talaga siya sa akin. Like, pagising ko sa umaga, kasi nilalagay ko siya sa playpen niya, doon ko siya pinapatulog. Tapos pag umaga na, magmumiyaw na yan siya, meow, meow. Tapos pag inopen ko yung playpen niya, the first thing na ginagawa ni Kwek is pumunta sa tabi ko and magpalambing. Like, magpa-pet siya sa akin. Like, yan yung first thing talaga na ginagawa niya pag pinapalabas ko na siya ng playpen. Tapos, naningo pag ako si Kwek, diba? Oo, tapos, after that, si Kwek, natutulog siya sa tabi ko. Napaka-cute ni Kwek, guys. Napaka-precious na baby. And si Peanut din. Kasi feel ko nga, like, these days, parang nagre-rebelde si Peanut sa akin. Kasi hindi ko siya pinapamit sa boyfriend niyang si Uling. Anong project yan po? Si Crazy Kwek. Diba? Parang nagre-rebelde si Peanut. Basta guys, napaka-cute talaga ni Kwek. Puberty hits ang atake ni Peanut. Tama talaga. Like, super lambing ni Kwek. Like, may times din na parang nagsa-cellphone lang ako, tapos siya naglalaro. Tapos, okay, nagpo-phone lang ako, tapos siya naglalaro. Like, sa mga toys niya, gamit yung mga toys niya, or di kaya naglalaro sila ni Peanut. Tapos, pag napansin niya ako, like, accidentally, or like, basta, randomly, lumingon siya sa akin. Sabihin ko, Kwek, come. Tatakbo talaga yan siya pupunta sa akin. Like, para magpa-pet. Diba? Paka-cute talaga ni Kwek, guys. Like, very precious baby. Ay, cute! Oo, nasa rebelde stage si Peanut. Si Peanut, guys, nagiging malambing siya pag papunta na siya mag-heat face. Malambing naman si Peanut. Pero, for me, mas malambing kasi yung like, yung mga male cats. Si Peanut, like, may times na parang malambing siya sa akin. Pero may times din na parang ayaw niya sa akin. Like, ayaw niya lumapit sa akin. Parang, parang siyang nag-a-act as deaf. Pag tinatawag ko siya, like, Peanut, tapos siya parang ganito lang. Walang imik, ganun. Like, over naman sa attitude yung batang yan. Pero si Kwek talaga yan, guys. Namimiss si Uling. Oh, I think namimiss na si Uling. Nakaabang siya sa guys. Hoy, naglilihi! Hoy! Simba ko, malayo! No, please! Baby pa man si Peanut. Oo, nagbibingi-bingihan siya. I think namimiss niya si Uling. Kasi nasa window siya, nakaabang kay Uling. Lolo ka na pala agad. No! Mas love na kasi niya si Uling kaysa sa'yo. No! Please, no. Ready ka na maging lola? No! Na hindi buntis si Peanut, guys. Sana nga. Yeah. Anong Bartolina? Oo, grounded muna si Peanut. Kasi, lumabas talaga siya and nakipag-date sa boyfriend niya. Super. Maiiyak ang mother na yan pag nagkataon. No, please. Guys, ayoko maging mama si Peanut. I mean, lover era na siya. Sabi na daylight niya daw si Uling. Color black si Uling, pero daylight niya daw si Uling. Pwede ba yun? Baby pa. Oo, baby pa si Peanut, guys. 8 months pa. Hindi pa adult cut si Peanut. Kitten pa si Peanut. Now, search ko nga.
Kitten pa.
Oo, kitten pa si ano. Oo, adolescent teen cat. So, yun. That explains everything. Kung bakit very siya. Very nagre-rebelde. Kasi teenager na siya. Grabe na pusa to. Nasa burikat face. Sorry. Sorry sa term. Lover era tapos sunod blank space na kantahin ni Peanut pag nag-break sila. Oo. Pag si Uling naghanap ng ibang babae, yung kakantahin ni Peanut is Stop. You're losing me. Ganun. Sige. Enjoy mo muna. Sorry sa term. Tama naman kasi pusa siya, tas buri siya. Diba? Pa-music tayo ng Lover album. Lover. Tapos ito yung oh, diba? Buri siya. Tapos pusa siya. So, siya ay buri cat. Ay! Day, can you please suck the charger? We can live again until January. This is our place to make room. I love you 3 songs now, honey. I want home. Nakakatawa talaga pakinggan kung ako kay Peanut magkakampo ako kung marinig ko yan. Peanut, you're a buri. And you're a cat. Ay, nako. Guys, I miss Kwek. Para bang, hindi magkatabi natutulog. Hindi naman talaga kami magkatabi natutulog. Basta guys, super lambing si Kwek. Nakaka-earring before nila Peanut, wala. Sila yung first ko na mga pusa. Ay, merong cat sa house namin sa Talomo, but hindi talaga same love and affection yung binibigay ko sa kanila. Hindi siya same sa binibigay kong pagmamahal kila Peanut. Kasi before, hindi ako cat. I feel so exposed, Mimi, sabi niya. Dili lamaw. Dili lamaw. Oo, kumbaga sila ngayon, ikaw talaga ang nanay. Oo, kasi hindi ako cat lover before. Ngayon na akong naging cat lover nung nagkaroon ako ng Peanut and Quing Boy. Si Quing Boy, tignan nyo. Pwede ba yan? Lamaw ra sila. Grabe naman sa lamaw. Pero dili same as karon na like, talaga, Royal Canin and my vitamins and yun. Tignan nyo siya, guys. Ay, sorry. Sabi niya, Mimi, I feel so exposed. Please don't show them my balls. Queen boy. Si Queen boy. Ay, nag-cry siya, day. Ay, sus. Tignan nyo yung picture, guys. Vag. Nagseselosan din ba yan silang dalawa? Wala. Di naman kasi same lang din yung binibigay ko sa kanilang affection. Like, for example, lapitan ko si Peanut kasi lambingin ko siya kasi naka-low position siya. Tapos after nyan, si Kwek-Kwek naman, ganun, like salitan lang. Kasi mahal ko silang dalawa eh. Ayaw magselo sila sa each other. Pero nung bago pa si Kwek-Kwek, grabe, galit na galit talaga si Peanut kay Kwek-Kwek. Like, si Peanut is my first cat, by the way. Galit na galit si Peanut kay Kwek-Kwek pagdating ni Kwek-Kwek. Kasi si Kwek-Kwek, nung pagdating niya, 1 month pa lang siya. Oo, 1 month pa lang siya. Tapos, si Peanut, I don't know if nakita niyo yung video sa TikTok account nila. Basta galit na galit siya. Like, like, ayaw niya talaga kay Kwek-Kwek. Tapos, after 3 days, talaga ng friend ko kasi si Kwek-Kwek, inadopt ko lang from my friend. And half Persian si Kwek-Kwek. So, sabi ng friend ko na, be patient lang kasi daw, like, baka di ko daw mamalayan after ilang araw, na sila, like, i-groom na nila yung each other. Tapos yun talaga yung nangyari after parang 3 days. Oo, magkatabi na silang natutulog, tapos ginugroom ni Peanut si Kwek-Kwek, like, very baby pa si Kwek-Kwek that time. Oo. And what time ka daw punta or estimated? Kasi si Ma'am Pao is super excited. I think mga 8:30 or 9 tomorrow after training. Like, punta agad ako. Mag-walk lang ako kay malapit raman. Oo, basta yun. Tapos ngayon parang, grabe. Oo, PM. Na talaga sila, like, mahal na nila talagang each other. Like, ayaw na nilang, mapalayo sa each other. Kasi may time kasi na nilalabas ko, like, for example, si Kwek-Kwek. Dalhin ko sa labas kasi linisin ko yung ears niya. Kasi mas, ano ba tawag dyan? Mas maliwanag sa labas. So, like, sa labas ko nililinis yung ears niya. Oo, kasi mas klaro. Tapos si Peanut, hinahanap-hanap niya si Kwek-Kwek, like, meow, meow, meow. Tapos, pag nakapasok na si Kwek-Kwek, dyan pa siya, like, tatahimik. Oo, like, bonded pair na talaga sila, guys. Inseparable na talaga sila. Sige, kaya may i-prepare siya for you. See you tomorrow. Yay! See you tomorrow! Excited ako. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, and you beat. Oh my God, is this real? See you tomorrow. Oh my gosh. Excited ako. Pwede karoon na lang, Char. Tomorrow. Clingy na. Yes. Oo. I don't know if you saw, like, the videos na I posted sa kanilang account. Basta makikita nyo lahat doon. Kung gaano sila gaano nila kamahal yung each other. So, play na tayo ng lover album. As in, sa ako yung bias? As in, kakit, oy. Hindi ko pala na-follow account nila. Ay. Charot. Mas excited siya. Yay! As in. This is our place. We make the rules. Ito ba yung owner ng, ng 1990X? Or organizer ng event or something? Tashi, ikaw, as in, cute! Oh, 20 seconds. Ay, as in. Oo, Peanut and Kwek. See you tomorrow, Ma'am Pao. And you too, RJ. See you tomorrow. Can we always be this close? Forever and ever and I take me out and take me home. See you. Lover. Oh, nasa lover girl era si Peanut. We can let our friends crash in the living room. This is our place. We make the call. I'm highly suspicious that everyone who sees you wants you. Peanut, I like to be someone's love. I want peanut, peanut. Guys, nandito si Peanut, guys. Where you go? Napanood na ng Eras Tour, wala. Be this close. Guys, ganito ko i-comfort si Peanut. Like, sinasampal ko yung ano niya. Sinasampal ko yung buntot niya. Ganyan, di ba daw i-comfort yung mga cats na in heat. Disney Plus? Ay, wala kong Disney Plus subscription. Agay! 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 Agay, day. For some man to be mine. My heart's been borrowed and yours has been blue. Also that ends up to end up with you. Try to be over the I think di na nakita ulit ni Peanut si Uling. Di na bumalik si Uling dito, guys. Kaya siguro galit na galit si ano. Meron ka po Spotify. Ay, tama, nakalimutan ko na naman na gumawa ng Spotify playlist. Please go out the window. Always waiting for it to be window. Kasi pinagbabawalan, oo, dapat lang. Or else. And it's new, shape of your body, it's blue. Feeling like I need you. Kalimutan ko na naman gumawa ng Spotify playlist. Tama. That's what I'm telling you. Breakable heaven, but your head low in the glow of the vending machine. I'm not trying. See the way you just way up in these trying times. I'm not trying. The headlights, summer's the night. Always waiting for you just to cut to the bone. Devils roll the dice, angels roll their eyes. And if I bleed, you'll be the last to know. Gumawa ka na ba ng Bisaya playlist? Hindi, pero nandito yung yung Hara from Haranatics ko na playlist. Oh, nandiyan na naman siya, Peanut. That's what I tell no rules. Breakable heaven, but share ko. Nahanap na si Uling. Oo, post ko na lang sa X. Tanawa daw, kung na yung boyfriend. Love you, ain't that the worst thing you ever met? You look so pretty like a devilish. Feeling like I need. Next song. It's London, baby. Was as cruel as the cities I lived in. Everyone looks worse in the life. There are so many lines that I've crossed and forget. Wala na pa ka, ma? Okay, mag-order ko sa imong gihatag na money for Javi. Mother, are you still there? Get anything else now that I saw you. I can never look away. I can never look away. Things will never be the same. Since it's been so long in a 20-year dark night, now I'm wide awake. Daylight, I only see daylight. Like that the jump, only trust it on the key. So I became the butt of the joke. I wounded the good and I trusted the wicked. I can relate. Charis! In the air, I breathe in the smoke. Maybe you run with the wolves and refuse to settle down. Maybe I've stormed out of every single room in this town. Threw out our clothes and our daggers. numbers because it's morning now. Spreading now. Now, I don't wanna look at anything else now that I saw you. Ay guys, may tanong pala ako. Like, what are your thoughts sa mga idols na may jowa? Like, sa K-pop, especially sa K-pop. Like, for you, bakit kaya binabash yung mga yung mga nagkakajowa ng mga idols, mga K-pop idols? Eh di sana all. Diba? Like, the point na magbe-break na lang sila, kaka-reveal pa nga lang, nagbe-break ka agad dahil nababash. Diba? Diba? Okay lang naman. Kasi tao lang din naman yan. Si Peanut nga, na pusa. Naghahanap ng jowa. Ano pa kaya yan sila? Ng mga tao sila. Diba? Mga delulo, tama. Fake fans yun kasi di nila kaya maging masaya idols nila. Diba? Ang pagiging fan ay may boundary. Tama. Tama talaga. Bakit? Di naman siguro need talaga na like, alamin mo lahat ng things about your idol. Like, why not just, like, appreciate their craft? Bakit kailangan talagang alamin ang everything? Like, yung mga personal things. Oo, di ba? Labas na tayo dyan. Buhay nila yan, di ba? Tama talaga. Wala lang. Pumasok lang sa isip. Kasi may edit kasi ng, sorry guys, nadidistract talaga ako pag may background music. May nakita akong edit na daylight yung daylight yung music na ginamit. Oo, K-pop, yun sila. Si IU and si Lee Jung-suk yun. I'm done with my edit, Ate Yani. Can you check it out? I'll check it out after this live. Kasi di ako tignan ko later. Volleyball player ka ba dati? Yes po. Kumusta performance niya sa Hugyo? Okay lang, lingaw. Yeah, sana nag-enjoy din yung mga nanood doon. I survived 1 hour edit. Sige, tignan ko yan later. Hindi fans ganun kasi walang boundaries. Diba? Tama talaga. Volleyball pa Japan ka sa UN? Hindi na po. Nag-stop na ako last 2025. Oo, 2025. Diba? Tama talaga kayo na wala talaga akong live na walang nagtatanong kung volleyball player ako. Kaya dapat just to be safe. As in. Nakita mo recent live ni Sel yung may nag-music. As in? Kaya dapat yan, huwag ka masyado magbanggit ng mga places ko na. Wala naman. Kuya JM lang. School and course, Tourism Management, University of Mindanao. Di talaga kami nag-aabang kahit sa P-pop. Alam namin ang limit ng pagiging fan namin. Diba? Buti naman. And ganyan kayo. Sana lahat ganyan. Sana lahat talaga. Ayoko nung mga kasi may post before, di ba, na parang sa dump account ng Beanie members, tas may nag-snitch ng mga pictures nila with their, like, SO, special someone. Tapos parang, I was like, pwede ba naman ganun? I was like, pwede ba naman ganun? Pati ba naman ganun, kailangan pang alamin ng everyone? Like, personal na yun eh. Kaya nga, private ng tao kasi ayaw niyang malaman ng iba. Kaya nga nasa dump kasi it was meant to be like private lang. Pagtapos ng event, inuman agad. Ganun. Tama, yan talaga ang mga tunay na fans. Fans. Basta na-remember ko lang kasi may nakita akong edit ni IU and Lee Jung-suk na ito yung song. I can still see it all. Fucking you from me on. I must believe everything. Daylight. Like daylight. Daylight. Ay guys, di nyo pala na-chika sa akin yung about sa traitor na song. Kasi di ako sure kung tama yung iniisip ko. Di ako sure kung same thing ang iniisip. Kasi yung traitor na song, yesterday. Look at anything else now that I saw you. Kaya nga, ask ko nga sila. Sige daw, explain niyo daw sa akin. Dark night, and I see daylight. I only see daylight. I only see daylight, 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 daylight. I only see daylight, 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 daylight. Dahil nag-chat ko sa imo sa Instagram. Yes, what's that, man? Yung issue dun, ginawa ni Olivia sa action naman something din sa isang... okay. Diba? I heard about that din. Nung yung parang... Ikaw pa bang kita ko or... No! I don't have a partner, guys. Baka kamukha ko lang yun. I only see it. Yung girl daw siya, as in? Real ba yan? Hala na, nag-away na sila. Siya? For real? Siya, like... Wait. As in, for real talaga yan? Like, totoo ba yan? Nag-away si Peanut at si Kakwek. Wait lang, guys. Wait. Only see daylight. Oo, sa driver's license. Kakasabi lang na mahal sila siya nag-away na. Di ba? Nag-away sila. Mapapahiya na sa dalawa. Oo, driver's license ata yun yung. You're probably with that blonde girl. Always made me down. You're so much older than me. It's everything I'm insecure about. Today I drove through the suburbs. How could I ever love someone else? Ito gani. Drop dead. Nag-volleyball ka yan? Yes. Oo. I hope you never finish that beer. Ahong burger hala no kasi di nyo score yung di nyo score tong pag nimo pag serve nimo. Never miss talaga sa live ang volleyball question, di ba? Like always talaga siya natatanong every time mag-live ako. Like wala talagang question na hindi related sa volleyball. Ingay. Hi Sheena, hi Tashi pala. Hi Toshi. Si Tashi the young stunner. Yes! Bala ka, Pani. At that's reposted by edit. As in, wait, gusto ko na makita. Pero ano, ginagamit ko mag-live yung phone ko right now. So, check ko later. Ay, wait, try ko dito. Wait lang. Pause ko muna yung song. Novexa. I-repost para makita din namin. Wait. So, you're losing me. Uy! Ay, cute! Cute! Kita ko na! Cutie! Nice. I-repost ko. Di ko kasi ina-open yung ano. Di ko ina-open yung account ko, TikTok account ko. I-repost ko to later. Thank you sa pag-edit. Thank you sa pag-edit. Hello, alam mo yung mag-J ko, oy. BRB, sige. Nag-ask pa talaga, inform pa talaga, ha. Tashi, ginabuli ko ni ni JM. Always. Gusto ko mag-J ko. Pero ano yung J ko mo? Sige. Nana na day karon. Sige, go. Yan na pala gusto mo, ha? So, you're losing me. Go. Ay, Naka-girly outfit ka ba yan ngayon? Yes. Haranistas. Goodness gracious! Kayong nag-shoplift. You are the one caught stealing on CCTV. Mag-end ako by 12, guys. Wow. After Olivia Rodrigo. 12 kasi wala lang. Sleeping ako. Ay, gutom ko. Kasi magkaon ko. Matik. Hoy! You said your phone was broken, just forgot to charge it. Ay, talaga ba? Di ba? Magkasunod talaga. Oh, I thought you ain't gotta hope it's ironic. You just say you finished, didn't know we started. It's all just so familiar, baby. What do you call it? Stupid. Or is it slow? Maybe it's useless. Ako. Mention, but you always come around. Hello. As in, with or without roommate kaya ni without? No roommate, please. Sa sala lang ako, sa sofa lang ako, guys. Take atik. Tashi or Lori for roommate, solo. Ano lang ako, sa sofa lang ako mag-sleep. None of the above. Oh, Olivia na naman ate Ate Jen or ate MJ, si Olivia na naman. Okay, sure. 'Cause you were so excited for me to finally drive up to your house. But today you drove through the suburb crying 'cause you weren't around. Sunod-sunod talaga? And you're probably with that blonde girl who always made me down. She's so much older than me. She's everything I'm insecure about. Yeah, today drove through the suburbs. So how could I ever love someone else? And I know we weren't perfect, but I've never felt this way for no one. And I just can't imagine how you could be so okay now that I'm gone. Guess you didn't mean what you wrote in that song about me. 'Cause you said forever, now I drive alone past your street. And all my friends are tired of hearing how much I miss you, but I kinda feel sorry for them, 'cause they'll never know you the way that I do you today. Hello, Denjiro. Pictured I was driving home to you. Perfect, but I've never felt this way for no one. Oh, and I just can't imagine how you could be so okay now that I'm gone. You didn't mean what you wrote in that song about me. 'Cause you said forever, now I drive alone past your street. Sometimes I still see your face in the lights. Can't drive past the places we used to go to, 'cause I still fucking love you, babe. Next, baka, akala ko si Sabrina Carpenter na naman. I feel my skin tight, my coat is inside, but I look up at you, I try to play right, but when you're in tonight, tell me when's the next time I'm running to you. It doesn't seem right, I'll take the seat right, wait at your bedside, I'll get right next to you, I'm going stateside, but I'll see you tonight. Tell me, how did a girl like me get into you? Next. Oh. Mag-end ako 12. Oh. It's like we're making up for lost time. Need you to spell it out for me. Boston over on all night. It's like a type of alchemy. Introduce me to your best friend. I can come and slide right in. As in, same kami. Char. And I wonder where you are. Oh, but no, I can't leave it alone. You're on my mind. Already gave you the time and the place, so don't be shy. Just come be the man I need. Tell me you got something to give. I want it. I can like it when you call me wonderful. What type of talk it is? Come on then. I don't know you're meant to be the man I need. Talk to me. Talk to me, talk to me, talk to me, be the man that I need, baby. Talk to me, be the man that I need, Talk to me, be the man that I need, baby. Talk to me, be the man. I'd like to think you feel the same way, but I can tell you sometimes. Guy, nag-chat ko sa message sa Instagram ba? Wait. Already gave you the time and the place, so don't be shy. Tell me you got something to give. I want it. Can I like it when you call me wonderful? Chicken. Pagpila. I need talk to me, 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 talk to me. Be the man that I need, baby. Wala ko nag-rice ko, pero mo ko first meal, 3 p.m. Tapos sa magikaon sa restaurant kay takoyaki ako gikaon. Ha?
111.
I-try daw na like padulong mag-check out and everything. Make out on your Mustang to Radiohead. And on my 18th birthday we got matching tattoos. How about ang McDo? We keep the promises, yes, against the world. In another... Tagpila. Kanang McDo na lang. Mas barato siya. McDo na lang. McDo na. Mag-end na ko, guys! It's like we're waking up for a sign. Need you to spell it out for me. Crossing over on all night. Bagong buhay na, guys. Already gave you the time and place, so don't be shy. Mag-end na ko, guys. Kaya mag-sleep na ko early. Wow. But, yeah. Bagong buhay na aketch. Oo, mag-duty na ako. Like, ngayon yung ko like, shift. Crossing over on. Changed person na talaga Di ka sure. I mean, mag-end lang ako ng live, pero hindi pa ako matutulog. Charot! Mag-sleep na ako eh. Kasi kaya ako mag-sleep na ako. Kasi wala pa din akong kain. So like, mag-eat ako ngayon. Nag-order ako. Already gave you the time and place, so don't be shy. So come be the man or woman I need. Tell me you got something to give. I want it. Next week, kay Eyes on Haran ako. Yes. Kaya mo balik naman ka og Davao. Yay! Nasa Davao na si Kuya JML. Woo! 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 Sobrang saya. Eyes on me. I'm crazy fire, crazy fire. Na, 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 na. Eyes on me. Miss ko na ibang girls. Okay. Okay then. Good. Dapat lang. Hello po. Happy Tuesday po, Sir Paulo. It's like I'm making up for last time. You to spell it out for me. Dapat lang. Tignan mo niyo yung ano, balat ng saging. Passing over on all night. Oh, I didn't know you can leave it on your own mind. Already gave you the time and place, so don't be shy. Come with the man I need. Sige na guys, mag-end na ako guys. Goodbye. Passing over on all night. Di maaaway niya ni masyado na sa kanya mga gift ng Manila Clips. Kaya nga. Bye from 4 of us here. Ingat kayo, 4 of you there. Ingat kayo and take care. Ingat kayo and take care. Sige na guys. Bye guys. Amping kayo always. Haramping. Take care kayo. 4 of you there. Yes. Ingat 4 of you there. Bye. Good night. And take care kayo always. Inom ng maraming water. Yes. Kasi mag-transform na ako guys. Malapit na mag-12. Guys. Bye na guys. Bye. And thank you for today. And sana nainggit kayo sa aking dried pusit. Bye. Thank you. It's like
Galing ni Marie!